Hello everyone, keep on proceeding. Again you have to do the partitions in the hair like this and then comb it in the way, and then what you have to do, you have to convert your hair into the form of a pleat like this from the upper side. And let's see what are we going to get. Just form the pleats like this and in the end you'll be amazed to see it. Isn't it looking amazing? Now make a braid like this and then again take the partitions in the hair in the manner as we are doing, and then you have to form a pleat like this. You have to just secure your hair, twisting it back and forth and getting the result as we are doing in the video. Let's see what are we going to get. You just have to make the pleats like this, a thick pleat, and then keep on making it and make it look like this. Isn't it looking super amazing? Yes. Then you have to roll your hair and it's the end. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see what are we going to get. Again you have to do the partitions in the hair like this and just take it in the form as we are doing. Now make thin pleat in the manner as we are doing in the video. Keep on making this and making it look like this, and in the manner you will be amazed to see it. Keep on making this and let's see what we are going to get. Keep on making and in the end you will be amazed to see it. Isn't it amazing? Just take the partitions in the hair and interlock your hair in the manner from the front side and your look will be damn amazing. Now from the back side you have to make a pleat like this and convert it into the form of a bowl pattern in the manner as we are doing. Now press it further and then you have to roll it in the manner in the form of a beautiful bun like this, and it is yet ready to go. Isn't it? Now you can decorate it further. Pretty, right? Now let's see what are we going to get. Keep on making, take a donut rubber band in the manner and then you have to make a bun shape in the manner we are doing by taking the hair like this and then tucking it with the help of a rubber band, thin rubber band like this. Now with the extra hair left behind, you have to just tuck it with the help of your pin, and then what you have to do, you have to just proceed further, and it's damn amazing. Now let's see what are we going to get. Again you have to take the partitions in the hair like this, and then by taking extra hair, this thin hair partitions, you have to just fold it in the manner as we are doing and then twist your hair back and forth, tuck it in the manner as we are doing in the video, and then let's see what are we going to get. Yes, here you have to secure it with the help of your clutches in the manner as we are doing, and then with the help of rubber band you have to do the thing as we are doing in the video, and here's to the result. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see, you have to take the partitions like this. From the bottom side you have to make the 3 partitions like this and then secure it and tuck it in the manner as we are doing. Now you have to just take the donut rubber band again and then you have to convert it into the form of a bun like this. Again secure your hair like this, and with the help of thin rubber band you have to do it in the manner as we are doing, and with the extra hair left behind, what you have to do, you have to secure it. You have to just roll them further and secure it in the manner as we are doing and tie it further to get a beautiful result like this, and then tuck it with the help of your beautiful ribbons, clutches, whatever you get, and the pins, and then further decorate it using these ribbons so as to get a beautiful amazing look. Isn't it looking pretty? Thank you.